Hello and welcome to day number 3. We just got off the ferry and now we have to follow that guy since he has a different route than my GPS, so let's see how that one works out. So far no problems, no trouble at the customs, all the bikes are running, so it's kind of a strange feeling. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the intro or the map. See you later.
Trouble if they knew. I'm trying hard to make you see. All that you are is all that I need. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on. And I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on. And I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on. And I don't wanna run away anymore.
So a little update, we are now 200 kilometers from Vilnius. The Finnish guy is 30 kilometers from Vilnius. He will wait there for us for a little bit. But the roads are like this all the way, so shouldn't take us more than 1.5 hours to drive those 200 k's. So now we just met up with Tom and he will bring us to Vilnius, where we eat some lunch. Welcome to Vilnius. Bye bye. Yep, that's him.
What would they say? What would they do? Would it be trouble if they knew? I'm trying hard to make you see. All that you are is all that I need. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on, and I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the light.
So now we finished lunch and we met up with Timo, which is right in front of me, and heading for the Belarusian border. Should be there quite soon. I think it's just like 20 kilometers left. Weather is not the greatest as you see, but mainly just the road is wet, and as I say that, it's starting to rain. Jinxed it.
Leave the lights on. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on.
So we made it over the Russian border, or White Russian border, Belarus, the Russian border, I guess it's called. And I already drove 2-3 kilometers, and there's just truck after truck after truck. We waited like 1.5 hours on the border, and I maybe saw 4 trucks passing the border. I'm not good at the calculations, but if my calculations are right, those trucks here will not cross the border this week if they really work this quick all the time. That's just crazy. That was definitely 4 kilometers just with trucks waiting to cross the border.
Wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on, leave the lights on.
Fuck, that was the police. Well, they don't follow, so I guess it's okay. I hope. Or they stop me 1 kilometer further down. Yes, that one there is already Minsk. That looks fucking cool. Out from the middle of nowhere, you see these big white houses. So me and Rene, we will be the first ones at the hotel. Ah, that was close. Me and Julien, we will be the first ones. Me and Rene will be the first ones at the hotel. Julien is a little bit back. He's just taking it easy because he is afraid of the police. And we have seen like 4 or 5 police cars. And looks like the radar cameras just take the pictures from behind. So I hope that system is not online, otherwise we're fucked on the way out. Fuck, those holes are huge.
Leave the lights on.